You ever lie in bed, exhausted, but your brain just won't shut up? You replay old conversations, stress about tomorrow, and suddenly, it's 3 a.m. The worst part? You're not alone. Millions struggle with sleep, but the fix isn't as complicated as you think. Here's the truth. Your body wants to sleep. You're just making it harder than it needs to be. So let's reset. First, consistency is king. Your brain loves routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Mess that up, and you confuse your internal clock. Second, ditch the screens before bed. Your phone's blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Try reading a book instead. Third, your bedroom should feel like a sleep sanctuary. Cool, dark, and quiet. If your room is too bright or noisy, blackout curtains and white noise machines can help. Fourth, watch what you eat and drink. Caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals before bed? Bad idea. They mess with your body's ability to relax. Finally, calm your mind. Overthinking keeps you up, so find a routine that works. Maybe journaling, deep breathing, or meditation. The bottom line, sleep isn't just about closing your eyes. It's about setting yourself up for rest. Small changes, big difference. Now, try this tonight and see what happens.